Hello, my name is Luke Scribner, and I am a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador with the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service, and today I'm going to be telling you all about Dutch ovens. To start, a Dutch oven is a cast iron container with a lid that you use to cook recipes such as stews, casseroles, or pretty much anything you want over a fire or coals. To use your Dutch oven, you want to start by making sure your Dutch oven is clean. You then get your coals and light them and let them heat up. You then place your Dutch oven over some of the coals and put the rest on top of the lid. This helps to distribute the heat and cook your recipe more evenly. You may want to line your Dutch oven in foil to help make cleanup easier. And on some recipes you want to use a pan for recipes such as cakes or breads that you don't want to put your recipe directly into the Dutch oven. You would put your recipe into the pan and place it on top of a few rocks or something to just elevate it off of the bottom of the Dutch oven, and that helps it act as more of a stove to cook your recipe more evenly. Once you have your Dutch oven heated up, you will put your recipe into the Dutch oven and cook it for whatever amount of time it says to cook it at, and make sure to check it constantly to make sure that it doesn't burn. When you're done cooking and you've already eaten your recipe, to clean up your Dutch oven, you want to use hot water and a sponge to scrub anything that may be stuck onto the Dutch oven. You then get a paper towel or just any towel to dry off the Dutch oven and store it in a dry place so that it doesn't become rusty. In terms of safety with Dutch ovens, you want to always wear gloves when your Dutch oven is hot to help you not burn your hands. You can also use a thing called a Dutch oven lifter, which is basically just a hook that you can use to lift your Dutch oven or lift the lid. And this helps you so that you don't have to worry about touching the Dutch oven and possibly burning yourself. A quick fun fact about Dutch ovens is that you can actually stack your Dutch ovens and put the coals in between each one to help you cook more efficiently so that you can cook more food and not have to use so many coals. I will be providing some recipes and links so that you can research and find some recipes that you may want to use as a Dutch oven. But really, if you want to start using Dutch ovens, you just gotta research because there is basically endless possibilities to what you can do with Dutch ovens, and it's very simple. Thank you.